You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is a food dish name from India. So let's break down how to pronounce the name of this dish. For more names from Indian cuisine, stay tuned. Alright. Chole is how it's said. In English, you can say it as chole, or chole. The second word name is Bhature. Chole Bhature is how it's said locally, so you could say it as Chole Bhature, or Chole Bhature. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.